Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will explain the any new features available on the latest Samsung One UI 8 Beta 4 version on my Samsung S25 Ultra. Yesterday, I will upload the video about One UI 8 Beta 4 update for the Samsung S25 Ultra in the India. Is there any new feature available on this beta update? First of all, we check the update by go to settings, scroll down until the software update, tap on it. Now here you can see the last update option. Last update was installed on 13 July. Today is the 31 July. So here you can see the last update was the version One UI 8 ZYGB. Here you can see the list of bugs fixed for the Samsung using this update. At the bottom you can see the One UI version 8.0, Android version 16, and size is the 1328.16 MB. Now let's talk about any new feature on this update. Several users say the dynamic lock screen available in the latest One UI 8 Beta 4, but currently you can't use this dynamic clock feature in this version. So wait for the official One UI 8 Beta, One UI 8 release on your device. But one change is available when you set the wallpaper. You can see the suggested images in the wallpaper settings. To check this new feature, tap and hold the blank space on the home screen. Tap on the wallpaper and style at the bottom left corner. Tap on the change wallpapers. Now here you can see change this gallery icon like this. Also you can see the new suggested images from your photos on the gallery on your Samsung One UI 8 Beta 4 updates. So this is the new added feature in the latest Samsung One UI 8 Beta 4 for the Samsung S25 Ultra. You can check it on your Samsung device if this feature is available or not on your device. Several users can't find these settings, but in my device available this option. You can see change the gallery. Tap on gallery. Here you can see your albums, pictures, etc. You can directly tap on a suggested images and it will automatically suggest the image from your phone gallery. So you can select the photo you want to set. Like here we select photo this on my device. Now select home screen, lock screen. So we select the lock screen. Tap on a next button. Now set the wallpaper on the lock screen. So it's quite easy and a new amazing feature add in the gallery suggested image. That's it. This is the only one thing I explain for the One UI 8 Beta 4 update on Samsung S25 Ultra. That's it. Like it, share it.